Ensuring the safety and security of your home is a top priority for homeowners in Fort Worth, Texas. One effective way to bolster your home's defenses is by upgrading your doors. Replacing old or inadequate doors with modern, secure alternatives can significantly enhance your property's security. Here's how door replacement can make a difference. Strengthening physical barriers. Older doors, especially those made from hollow core materials, can be easily compromised by intruders. Upgrading to solid wood, fiberglass, or steel doors provides a robust physical barrier against unauthorized entry. Companies like DFW Door Repair offer a variety of high-quality materials for custom door replacements, ensuring your new door is both durable and secure. Enhancing lock security. The effectiveness of a door is heavily reliant on its locking mechanisms. Modern locks offer advanced features such as smart technology, allowing homeowners to control access remotely and monitor entry activity. Integrating smart locks with your door replacement can provide added convenience and security. Improving door frame integrity. A door's frame is as crucial as the door itself in maintaining security. Weak or damaged frames can undermine the effectiveness of even the most robust doors and locks. Professional installers like J&J Installations ensure that both doors and frames are securely fitted, enhancing overall protection. Utilizing security doors and storm doors. Incorporating security doors and storm doors adds an extra layer of protection without compromising aesthetics. Security doors are designed to withstand forced entry, while storm doors protect against harsh weather conditions. Den Defenders specializes in custom security screen doors and storm doors tailored to Fort Worth homes, combining durability with visual appeal. Enhancing visibility with security screens. Security screens allow homeowners to enjoy fresh air while maintaining a secure environment. These screens are designed to prevent intrusions while providing visibility and ventilation. Den Defenders offers custom security window screens that complement door replacements, ensuring consistent security throughout your home. Boosting curb appeal and property value. Beyond security, a new door can enhance your home's curb appeal, making it more inviting and potentially increasing its market value. Companies like Your New Door provide a range of styles and designs, ensuring that your door replacement aligns with your aesthetic preferences while offering top-notch security features. Ensuring professional installation. Proper installation is key to maximizing the security benefits of your new door. Professional installers have the expertise to ensure that doors and locks are fitted correctly, minimizing vulnerabilities. Opting for services from reputable companies in Fort Worth ensures that your door replacement meets the highest standards of security and craftsmanship. Conclusion. investing in door replacement is a strategic move to enhance your home's security in Fort Worth. By selecting high-quality materials, advanced locking systems, and professional installation, you can create a safer living environment for you and your family. Collaborating with trusted local providers like DFW Door Repair, J&J Installations, Den Defenders, and your new door ensures that your door replacement project meets your security needs and aesthetic desires.